I speak freely with them. It's more like my home away from home.
5-minute walk up from the train station.
The tutors very welcoming, very helpful.
Crown had a really family type vibe from what I saw when I came in.
Yeah, come to Crown. You'd love it here.
Welcome to Crown Institute of Studies. My name is Amy Trigger and I am the School Liaison and Business Development Manager at Crown Institute. Crown was established in 1972 and is one of Auckland's longest running private tertiary education providers. We offer certificate and diploma programs in business, hospitality, travel and tourism, as well as short courses such as Gateway and STAR programs to high school students. All of our vocational programs are eligible for fees-free study, and you can also apply for student allowances and loans through StudyLink. Our courses are delivered through blended learning, which is a mixture of classroom and online learning. But at times such as the COVID-19 pandemic, we are also able to switch to online learning using platforms such as Microsoft Teams, Moodle, and Zoom. The COVID-19 pandemic has taken the world by storm, and it has disrupted businesses of all kind. This is particularly the case for the tourism and travel industry. But there is a silver lining to this all. In all our programs, we will add in new contents, site visits, and educational trips that focus on areas such as crisis management, new marketing strategies, domestic travelling, and sustainability. You'll witness firsthand the whole recovery and restart processes, and learn how businesses utilise various strategies to come back stronger. We care about you and your whole personal development. We pride ourselves in providing holistic student services. We loan Chromebooks to those who do not have a device for online learning. We offer free public transport for you to come to school, career services such as internships, CV and interview workshops, and most importantly, we are good listeners. We are here to support you every step of the way. I'll hand over to our Managing Director and the team to tell you more.
Hi, as Amy has mentioned, Crown is one of Auckland's longest established tertiary education provider. In 2020, we feel it is time to rejuvenate our brand. We have established new partnerships, recruit new team members, and implement new management systems. And I'm very proud to tell you that we are able to fulfill what our motto suggests, which is also our promise to you. We care, we train, we connect.
I'm Wellbeing Manager here at Crown, but I consider myself to be campus mum. Most mums love their kids no matter how good or bad their report cards are. That's how I feel about our students. All tutors and staff here really want our students to succeed, but I see their time here with us from a motherly point of view. Mothers are only as happy as their saddest child, so I'm always looking out for the sad students, the struggling ones, helping them along, helping them see they're not alone, that the programs aren't difficult, but they are work. You have to put in lots of time and lots of effort. We have careers workshops to train you into employment, goal-setting workshops, turning dreams into practical, achievable goals, CV composition and cover letter writing workshops using real job vacancies, and job interview workshops, interactive role-playing, students being interviewed with helpful interjections from tutors on body language, facial expressions, and positive answers. And we top up your AT Hop card each week, so you don't have to pay anything to get to and from Crown. And if you don't have a suitable online learning device, we'll loan one to you and we'll deliver it to your home. Crown's learning environment is super supportive. We really want every student to succeed, and we do everything possible to achieve that. Many students call Crown their happy place and their home away from home. So, haere mai, come to Crown, we're waiting for you.
We care, we train, we connect. In short, my role at Crown is to make the connections. I think the key difference between Crown and other schools is that we work very closely with the industry. We have unique and sometimes exclusive partnerships with some of the most exciting and biggest companies in New Zealand, such as AJ Hackett, iFly, Fuji Xerox, Ramada by Wyndham, Stanford Plaza Auckland, the list goes on and on. These partners can play an important role in your learning. They allow you to gain industry experience in the form of site visits, seminars, and most importantly, internships that can lead to potential employment. We also host networking events regularly, where you have the chance to meet industry leaders. We've had some good results by doing this. Some of our past students were able to secure interview opportunities through these events, and this could be you. We are honored to have our partner, Troy Clarry, a Tea Destination Committee member and Managing Director of Katalyma Hotels and Hospitality, and Clinton Farley, General Manager of the Hotel Britomart, to share with you their experience of working with us.
Kia ora, my name is Clinton Farley, the General Manager of the Hotel Britomart, located right here in the heart of downtown Tamaki Makaurau, Aotearoa, New Zealand. I've been working in industry for the past 22 years, starting off as a porter here in Auckland at the Carlton Hotel, and have worked my way up through the ladder to where I am today. I've worked everywhere through from rooms department through to food and beverage and sales and marketing, and a number of other disciplines along the way. My career to date has seen me travel from Auckland right down to Queenstown and elsewhere in New Zealand, as well as the heart of Australia, Alice Springs, through to Melbourne. I've worked for the likes of Hilton, Accor, Radisson, Stamford, and most recently TFE Hotels Collection with the opening of the Hotel Britomart project here in Auckland. Since returning to Tamaki Makaurau here in Auckland last year, I've maintained a great relationship with the likes of Crown Institute. In fact, we met at a Skull Lunch, which is a monthly networking event that encourages industry people throughout the world to network and build strong business relations. Here at the Hotel Britomart, we're focused on delivering a truly exceptional guest experience from arrival to post-departure. An important part of this is sharing our Kiwi identity and culture intimately with each and every guest that comes to stay with us. Guests can travel anywhere in the world, however they've decided to come and stay here and visit Tamaki Makaurau, Auckland. So we're really keen to find team members that thoroughly understand our New Zealand culture and foundations and are readily available to share this experience with our guests. Studying with schools such as the Crown Institute are a great opportunity for you to learn and develop yourself in the hospitality industry, as well as gain valuable work experience through different departments before you exit the study and move on to your future career. I really look forward to continuing the relationship with Crown Institute of Studies and looking forward to welcoming our future generation of talent here to the Hotel Britomart. Kia ora.
Hi, Troy Clarry. I'm the Director of Katalyma Hospitality, which own two properties, one in Kerikeri and one here in Whangaparāoa in Auckland. Now, I previously worked for 5-star hotels, Ritz-Carlton and Hackett over in Asia, and came back 7 years ago. I was given the opportunity to join Crown as an advisor type role a couple of years ago through an industry colleague. And the idea behind that was to share what industry really wants from students coming through hotel schools now. And I thought there was a great opportunity to be able to come up with concepts and ideas that are new to the industry, both education and hospitality. So we're working on some things with Crown at the moment to help students experience what it's really like to be part of the industry and make sure that they are the best students coming out for operations in hotels in the future.
Thank you, Clinton and Troy. Before I let my teammates take over, I would like you to hear from JP, a Crown graduate, who is working at one of the most exciting companies in New Zealand, literally helping people jumping out of their comfort zones on a daily basis. Let's take a listen.
Hi, my name is JP. I'm a Crown graduate. I studied at Crown from 2013 to 2014. I did travel and tourism. And currently I work for AJ Hackett at a Skydump Skywalk site. and I am currently the operations supervisor for Skyjump. I had a really good experience at Crown. Learned a lot of customer service skills that I can apply today in my job, as we work with a lot of customers in the adventure tourism sector. It might not be directly related to cruise ship or cabin crew related, but the customer service skills I learned can be widely applied in any industry. So that's really helped me with dealing with people coming from all over the world and helping them embrace their fear. Over in the last 2 years, we've built quite a good relationship with Crown, and we've had a few interns coming through for some work experience, and it was really good. So I did work experience with Stray Travel, so Crown had a really good relationship with them, and they kind of sent me on one of their bus tours up the Bay of Islands, which is really nice, and just kind of learned to work with customers from then as well at the start, which was good.
Crown is like a family. I feel like I am the person that is most qualified to say this because I was a Crown student, and I have worked here since graduating with the New Zealand Certificate of Travel Level 4. We have a vibrant and multicultural campus filled with students from different backgrounds. Crown students have a lot of freedom to organise events. We have SAP, or the Student Ambassador Program. We have regular meetings to discuss the events we want to do and how we can make it happen. We are responsible for activities such as Sports Day, International Day, and Cultural Day. Joining SAP not only makes student life fun, it also gives you an opportunity to develop leadership skills. Be sure to join SAP when you start with us.
As you can see, we have a caring team that wants you to succeed. Besides the support, we also have excellent and modern training facilities, such as our mock cabin for flight attendant training, Ramada hotel room, and travel agency for role-playing, as well as a bar, kitchen, and cafe area for cocktail, barista, and food service training. Now is the time for you to meet our tutors. They will tell you more about the courses we offer.
The business programs at Crown are designed for those who want to start their own business. The majority of businesses in New Zealand are small enterprises that have fewer than 20 employees. Together, these businesses employ a significant amount of New Zealand's working population and make substantial contributions to our GDP. We teach the fundamentals of small businesses in New Zealand. Students learn how to identify business opportunities, assess its viability, and work with others to maximize the business's potential. We also look into more technical aspects such as financial management, market analysis, and strategic planning. Meanwhile, legal and ethical requirements, sustainability, and corporate social responsibility are also covered.
Crown currently offers 2 business programs, which are the New Zealand Certificate in Business Level 3 and Crown Double Certificate in Business Level 4. The Level 3 program is suitable for students looking for an entry-level business course. Now showing on the screen are the course details, entry requirements, and career pathways for our Level 3 program. The Level 4 program includes 2 NZQA accredited qualifications, one in small business and one in administration and technology. Now showing on the screen are the course details, entry requirements, and career pathways for this program. Graduates of the Level 4 program are eligible to apply for the Crown Small Business Seed Fund, and you can potentially get 20,000 New Zealand dollars of seed fund towards your startup.
Tourism has always been one of the biggest industry in New Zealand. It is our biggest export industry. It is directly and indirectly responsible for almost 10% of New Zealand's GDP. The COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 obviously had a massive impact in tourism. It is an unprecedented event that has thrown the global economy into turmoil. Yet, this is the best time for learning, where we can witness firsthand the rebuilding of the industry, how tourism will thrive once again and come back stronger than ever. We offer levels 3 to 5 certificate and diploma programs in travel and tourism. Opportunities are for those who are prepared. Now is the time to prepare yourself with the skills and knowledge to thrive in this wonderful industry.
We offer 3 tourism and travel qualifications ranging from level 3 to 5. All these programs include qualifications such as Crown Certificate in Cabin Crew, STA Travel Sales and Marketing Certificate, along with many other optional qualifications. On the screen is the information of our Level 3 New Zealand Certificate in Tourism. It is suitable for those who are interested in the tourism industry with minimal experience. You will learn about customer services skills, New Zealand as a tourism destination, teamwork, and many more. Our Level 4 certificate in travel focuses on domestic and international travel. In this course, you will learn how to use the booking software Amadeus and gain insider knowledge of the travel industry. Information of this qualification is now shown on the screen. The Level 5 Diploma in Tourism and Travel is the highest qualification we currently offer. It focuses on the management of the tourism and travel industries, including things such as sustainability, airline operations, finance and budgeting, and human resources.
Hospitality courses at Crown emphasise both theory and practice. They cover a wide range of establishments, from cafes and bars to fine dining and hotels. You'll learn skills such as barista and cocktail making, gain knowledge about beer, wine, health and safety, and also get the chance to complete the Licensed Controller Qualification, or LCQ. This enables you to work as a manager in any premise which sells alcohol. A hospitality management program focuses on topics such as legal compliance, staff rostering, and training.
We offer 2 hospitality programs, the New Zealand Certificate in Food and Beverage with strands in cafe and bar service, and the New Zealand Diploma in Hospitality Management. All our hospitality programs include field trips to hotels, restaurants, food and wine shows. Information on our Level 3 program is now shown on the screen. This program is fun and practical. You will gain the LCQ qualification and learn cocktail mixing and barista skills, amongst many other skills. On the screen now is the information for our Level 5 program. It focuses more on the management level in hospitality, including fine dining outlets and hotels. Topics such as human resources, hotel operations, finance and budgeting, sustainability will be covered. In addition, Crown will soon be offering programs in computing and digital technologies. The program will equip you with skills that are essential to all roles in this day and age.
We offer Gateway and Star courses in business, hotel, flight attending, and barista to secondary school students. These Gateway programs are a great way to gain credits towards NCEA, while the Star courses are a good opportunity for students to acquire new skills that could lead to a job or further vocational training.
We currently offer 2 Gateway programs, the Hotel Gateway for those who are interested in tourism and hospitality, and the Business Gateway for those that want to learn more about business administration and information technology. We are honoured to have Ramada by Wyndham and Fuji Xerox as our program partners. Students in these courses will have the opportunity to gain work experience in these world-class organisations, along with gaining unit standards towards the NCEA. We offer a variety of Star courses covering specific topics in the tourism and hospitality industries, such as flight attending, barista, and Destination Pacific Islands. These programs are taught by industry experts. It will give you a glimpse of the industry that could become your career. To find out more, please visit our website at www.crown.ac.nz or just give us an email or a call. To learn more about us, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Looking forward to seeing you again soon.